Oh, hey! Hey guys, welcome back to TongueBit Spanish. My name's Tony and I'm going to be your Spanish teacher. In this video, we are going to learn some numbers in Spanish. I'm going to teach you how to count from 1 to 100, completely in Spanish. We are going to take advantage of a very simple but effective language learning technique, which is relating all of the numbers in Spanish to memorize them easier. In the end, you'll probably only need to memorize about 20 different names of numbers in Spanish. So, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so to start, we're going to memorize the numbers from 1 to 10. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You definitely need to memorize these because you are going to use them over and over again. Alright, so now we're moving to numbers 10 to 19. But you're actually only going to need to learn the numbers 10 to 15. You'll see why in a moment. So we're going to go back to 10, or 10. 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. The numbers 11 to 15 are unique because the names of these numbers we do not use again. So these are really important to remember. After this, it becomes easier. We say 10 and the number after. So we start with 16, right? 16. 16. This one is important to remember because it has a tilde over the I. So we say 16, right? 16, because we emphasize the I where the tilde is. Next we have 17, 18, 19, y 20. We'll wait for that. So as you can see, it starts to use 10 after 15. That's when we use 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last number, which we won't say. Okay, so after 15, remember, we start to use 10, and we continue using 10 until 19. So we say 16, 17, 18, 19, and we stop. This is a very helpful way to remember them. 16 to 19 uses 10. Alright, now let's do the numbers from 20 to 29. You'll want to pay special attention to the pattern that occurs as we go from 20 to 29. This is going to make 30 to 100 much easier for you. Alright, so first we have 20, 20 or 20. From there we go to 21, 21, 22. 22 has a tilde over the O, so we want to emphasize 22, 22. Then we have 23, 23, which also has a tilde, 23. Then we have 24, 25, 26, 27, and 26 also has a tilde. As you can hear at 26, we emphasize over the I. So 26, 27, 28, 29, y. So as you can see, it's pretty easy. We say the root, which is 20, and we add the numbers 1 to 9. That's it. That's all it is. Okay, well, we're doing really good. Let's continue moving from 30 to 100, and we're going to go by tens, right? So we're going to go 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This will be easier because once you know the tens, you can just put the other numbers in between, right? Alright, so we're going to start with 30, which is 30, 30. Then we have 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, y 100. So here's an example. If we wanted to say 34, what you do is you say 30, and you add y, which means and we add 4. To put that together, we say 34, 34, 34. Literally, we're saying 30 and 4. Okay, now you practice. What comes after 34? 35, 35, 35. Okay, now to help us really practice this, we're going to do some randomly. Alright, so let's look at 57. 57. 66. So 60 would be 66. Next, let's do 73. 70 was 73. 81. 81. And last, let's do 95. 95. I told you it was going to be super easy. You really only need to memorize about 20 numbers, so thanks for watching. If you dare, write in the comments 30 to 100 in Spanish, the numbers. I'll check it for you and see how you did. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. Yes, so thank you. If you liked the video, please tell me you liked it. Give us a like down here. Subscribe, activate the bell to find out if we've made any new videos so you can be the first to know. And yeah, we appreciate you. Nos vemos en el próximo video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chao.